What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency. It is the first, most liquid and most valuable cryptocurrency in the world. Bitcoin was created and launched in 2009 by an unknown programmer or a group of unknown programmers called Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is a digital coin that you can send directly to another person using the Bitcoin network on the internet without using a bank. Transaction fees in the Bitcoin network are much lower than bank fees. Bitcoin's popularity is growing day by day, and currently, this cryptocurrency is available in most countries. Due to its high volatility, Bitcoin is very attractive to traders and investors. Bitcoin can be bought or sold through crypto exchanges. On the IQ Option platform, you can trade Bitcoin via contracts for difference, CFDs. To trade Bitcoin, click on the plus button to open a new asset. Then select Crypto and choose Bitcoin. Set parameters of your trade, such as the investment amount, multiplier, stop loss, or take profit. Click Buy or Sell depending on your forecast, whether the Bitcoin price will go up or down. Start trading now with IQ Option.